Welcome back. While the lock object enforces strict mutual exclusion, allowing only one thread at a time, there are scenarios where you need to allow a specific, limited number of threads to access a resource concurrently. For this, we use the semaphore. 1. What is a semaphore? A semaphore is a synchronization primitive that maintains a counter. This counter is initialized to a specific value, representing the number of available permits. When a thread calls .acquire parenthesis, the counter is decrement. If the counter is greater than 0, the thread proceeds. If the counter is 0, the thread blocks until another thread calls .release parenthesis, incrementing the counter and freeing a permit. 2. Initialization and usage. We initialize the semaphore with 3, meaning only 3 threads can enter the database connection critical section at any one time. We use the convenient with statement just like with a lock. Threads will execute the connect to dbeep function. The first 3 will proceed immediately, but the 4th thread will be blocked at the with statement until one of the first 3 threads calls .release parenthesis by exiting the block. 3. Running the semaphore simulation. We launch 5 threads to simulate 5 clients trying to connect to a database that only allows 3 simultaneous connections. You will observe that 3 threads acquire the connection immediately, while the remaining 2 are forced to wait for 2 seconds. As soon as one of the active threads finishes its work and releases its permit, one of the waiting threads immediately grabs it and continues. The final output confirms that only 3 threads were active at any given moment, successfully managing the limited resource. To summarize, locks are for mutual exclusion, semaphores are for boundary control. We have learned synchronization. Our next lecture 26.14, Thread Communication. See you there.